Are you looking for some stocking stuffers? Well, did you know that you can go right to the candy cane source right here in Colorado? Hammond's Candies is located in Denver and has all the stocking stuffers you will ever need. Even Santa shops here. We found some great deals we wanted to share with you, so come on in to Hammond's Candies. So this is in an industrial area on the north side of Denver.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Some very excited young ladies next to me, here for a birthday party tour. So they do have special events. Ooh. Yum. It smells like mint in here.
Sensory overload.
I'm on total sensory overload.
Ginger drops.
Oh my goodness. What you got? Ooh, ginger drops. I love ginger drops. And root beer drops. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. Cookies. All sorts of things. Cotton candy. I don't know what to get first. Ooh, lollipops. See the oops candy canes for 50 cents, so there's something wrong with them. So yeah. So they couldn't sell these. Hey, they probably taste just as good. So these are oopses, and these are only 50 cents. These are oopses, they're only 50 cents. I mean, there's really some great deals here. These are 50 cents each, these oopses. Oh. They have like a whole row of oopses here. You can get this whole case of these sours, which are so good, for 12 bucks. I mean, what a great deal. Or you can get them $1.50 a piece. The prices are amazing. The lady on the tour says these are to die for. They're stuffed with chocolate. So I'm gonna get some oops ones. So these are all their oops bags that you can buy for $10. Oh, that's cool. And then there's this is like my childhood. This kind of taffy. Oh my goodness. These are cream filled?
Yeah. That one's got strawberry cream filling in it.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna have to get some of these for sure. So I bought these two oopses because the color was off when they cut it up. This is cherry and this one was lemon, and they were like super cheap. I think they were like 50 cents or $1 a piece. Anyways, these are really good, these lemon ones. They're like a lemon cream. So they don't have like a sour lemon flavor. It's more of a lemon creamy flavor, and they are so good. But I like them both. This is what made them famous. It was named after a friend of his, Mitchell Sweets. And they're like marshmallows dipped in caramel. Yum. So this is marshmallow with caramel wrapped around it. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. So that was pretty awesome. I got $6 worth of oopses, all that candy. I mean, I got like tons of it for $6.
Yeah, 5 pounds of diabetes.
So I got stuff that I wanted to try that they're famous for. So like
they
that.
got some good stuff in there.
Ugh, it smells so good in there. Hammond's in northern Denver.